In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a user from a channel in Slack step by step. This is useful if someone no longer needs access to a specific channel, if roles have changed, or if you're cleaning up members to keep conversations relevant. This process is quick and simple once you know where to click, and it works directly inside Slack without any extra tools. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Slack and productivity tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Slack in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. From the left sidebar, navigate to the channel where you want to remove a user. This could be a public channel or a private one, as long as you have permission to manage members. Click on the channel name so it opens fully and you can see the conversation and channel details. Once you're inside the channel, look toward the top right corner of the Slack window. Here, you'll see a small person or members icon. This icon represents the list of people who currently have access to the channel. Go ahead and click on that person icon. When you click it, a panel will open showing all the members who are part of this channel. Take a moment to locate the person you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, or if the channel has many members, use the search field to quickly find their name. Once you find the correct person, look to the right of their name. You'll see a 3 dots icon, also known as the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots next to the person you want to remove. A small menu will appear with different actions you can take for that member. From this menu, click on the option that says Remove from Channel. Slack will then ask you to confirm this action, just to make sure you don't remove someone by mistake. Go ahead and click Remove to confirm. As soon as you do that, the user will be removed from the channel and they will no longer be able to see or participate in the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully removed a user from a Slack channel. Keep in mind that removing someone from a channel does not remove them from the entire Slack workspace. It only removes their access to that specific channel. If you ever need to add them back, you can do so by inviting them again to the channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your team or anyone who uses Slack regularly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.